Hi everyone, Salfatsa here from Lissy Guys and welcome to another video. Today we're talking about asking for help. How would you approach someone to ask for help? Botswana, everywhere, South Africa or Botswana are actually pretty friendly people and they like to be needed. I think I could say that globally, people just like to be needed and to be useful to other people. But Botswana are just very friendly and they love when they can help. But how do you then ask for help? Welcome to this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all the good things. Now, let's get started. What is help? The word for help is thuso. 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 That is help. So if you're going to say, can you help me? Ke kopa thuso. Ke kopa thuso. That means I need help. I'm asking for help. You're just stating that as a fact. You're not really elaborating what help you need. You're just saying, I need help. And then someone can say, what help do you need? O kopa thuso ya eng. You are asking for what help? O kopa thuso ya eng o kaeng, which is what? What help do you need? But ke kopa thuso. Ke kopa thuso means I need help. Now, if you're meeting someone, let's say you've arrived in Bots and someone said, go to the taxi rank and take Mohodisani Route 4, which is one of the common routes to get around town. And you get to the taxi rank and you're like, I have no idea. So rather than just saying ke kopa thuso into the ether, just not directed to anyone, you could say to someone ke kopa thuso. That means hi, you'd say hi first. Dumela ma, dumela ra. That's just nice before you ask someone for help. Say hi. Ke kopa thuso. Ke kopa thuso means I need help. Or you could say to someone, I need your help. Ke kopa unthuse. Ke kopa unthuse. That means I need you to help me. I need you to help me. So you might, ke kopa unthuse to wash plates. I have a video about washing plates. Ke kopa unthuse ho tlhatswa dijana. I need your help to wash plates. Ke kopa unthuse ho batla kombi. I need your help to find the route, the kombi route that I just randomly mentioned before. Ke kopa unthuse. That means I need you to help me. Ke kopa unthuse ho loga moriri. Ke kopa unthuse ho loga moriri. I need your help with plaiting my hair. I have a video on plaiting your hair. Right? But you might also say, ke kopa thuso ya gago. I need your help. So ke kopa unthuse is I need you to help me. But ke kopa thuso ya gago. I need the help that belongs to you. I need your help. I need your help because I feel like I'm lost. Ke kopa thuso ya gago ka ke akanya ke latlhegile. Latlhega is lost. I believe I'm lost. Ke kopa thuso ya gago ka ke akanya ke latlhegile. I feel like I'm lost. I need you to help me. Right? Ke kopa thuso. So that's how you ask for help. You can also just ask for something. Ke kopa metsi. May I ask for water? Ke kopa ntlwana ya boiteketso. Ntlwana ya boiteketso is a house that you hide in, literally, also called a toilet. A house that you hide in. Ntlwana is like a small house that you hide in, right? Boiteketso. So, or like where you perform bodily duties. So it is the toilet. But toilet is another English Setswanified word. So ke kopa toilet, the people would understand when you say ke kopa toilet. Ke kopa toilet means, may I have a toilet, please? May you offer me your bathroom, please? Now, so you get to Bots, and the hot girls are hot going, and you're like, ooh, I like her. I would like her number. See, I got you. Ke kopa number. I hope she's impressed. Oh, he's impressed. I shouldn't be thinking it's a guy. Ke kopa number ya gago means, may I have your number, please? Ke kopa leina la gago. Are you able to tell me your name? Please, can you tell me your name? Ke kopa is like, I'm asking. May I have your number? Excuse me, miss. What's your name? Where are you from? May I take you out tonight? Anyway, you get the gist. That is how you ask for help. Ke kopa thuso, that's help. Ke kopa, state whatever you're asking. Ke kopa madi, it's money. Ke kopa metsi, there's water. Ke kopa leina la gago, may I have your name, please? Ke kopa nambara, may I have your number? I don't know. Ke kopa Instagram handle, maybe? May I have your Instagram handle? I don't know, but hopefully you get the gist and you put it in practice. Till next time, bye.